Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to set up your showcase page. As you can see on the 8th grade page, the majority of these items are actual videos. So I will demonstrate how to put videos on your display. Notice that I have a little title above each video or item, so I'm going to show you how to set that up. So let's go ahead and get started. With that portfolio folder on my desktop, I added a videos folder inside of that portfolio folder on the desktop. I went ahead and I added videos that I want to put on my site into this folder. What you're going to do is you're going to get those videos into your Google Drive and share them publicly before you add them to your website. So you will go to your Drive, you will locate that online portfolio folder. In this case, you will be going to middle school, and you should have already made these folders to be organized.
If you do not have your folders in your Google Drive, you must have missed some serious steps in video 5.
I'm then going to open up Computer Design, 8th grade, and I'm now going to choose New Folder. I will type in Videos, and notice it's not shared. You can tell if it's shared by having a little icon of a person inside, so I'm going to right click on that folder, choose Share, Advanced. I'm going to change it from private to public. If you do not do this, then people will not be able to see your videos. So now that folder is shared, I'm going to go ahead and open that up. I'm going to choose New, File Upload. I'm going to go to that folder on my desktop called Portfolio Videos. And I'm going to click on one and do Control A to select all and choose Open. It might take a few minutes to upload, so be patient. While that's uploading, you can go ahead and go to your website. Now, since I've already created this page, I'm going to go ahead and create an example page for you. So I will choose Edit in the bottom right corner. If you look under Pages, you will see that the 8th grade page I turned into the 8th grade showcase. Notice that it is hidden. You can tell by the little icon next to it that it's hidden, but I can click on it. So if I go to Computer Design and I click on 8th grade that I set up earlier, it will open up that page. So the previous videos demonstrated how to do this. So when I set that page up, I clicked on Pages, I clicked on the Add Page, and I typed in 8th grade. I'm just going to go ahead and type in Showcase to show you how I set this up. I choose Done. I'm going to go ahead and delete that, choose Insert Text Box, and I typed in 8th grade Showcase. I selected the little paint palette. I chose Emphasis 2. I changed it from normal text to subheading. I can go ahead and add my videos at this time by going to Insert. I'm going to go to my Drive where those videos are. I'm going to locate that online portfolio folder, Middle School, Computer Design, 8th grade, and now Videos. Because I want all of these videos, I will go ahead and select one, do Control A to select all. With them selected, I will choose Insert in the bottom right corner of the window. I'm going to fit 3 across, so I will go ahead and I will make these smaller because I want 3 videos going across, just like I set up the gallery page. So you're going to have to play around with this so it looks decent. I like the videos to be roughly the same size because it does look more professional. I will go ahead and finish setting up these videos. With my videos added, I'm ready to add a little label above each video. I will choose the Insert option at the top, text box, and I'm going to go ahead and drag it so that it's above the top videos. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag this. You need 3 text boxes above each video. So I'll add another text box. I'll make it smaller. I'll go ahead and drag that up. And I'll add the third one. Now that each text box is ready, I will type in the name of each video. The first one is a commercial. The second one is about women, and this third video on top is a mini movie. I'm going to go ahead and click on one of those text boxes and I will choose the little paint palette and I will choose the emphasis 1, which is a lighter shade from the top. I will then also choose subheading. I have to do that subheading on all three so that it's consistent. Now I will need to add the title for each other video on the page. Notice one of the videos is still loading, so some videos might take a while to load. Keep that in mind. I wanted to point out when you choose to add the text, I drag it over. When you drag it to where you want it, if you don't drag it in the right place, it ends up in a weird location. So you would do Control Z. Make sure that when you drag that text box, I want it directly above, so I'll click there to let go. I just wanted to point that out. You could put the text box in the wrong location. Just do Control Z to undo. So this page is set up. I will go ahead and choose Publish. Publish is like saving. I will click on that drop down arrow to view published site. So now when people come to your page to see the video, they would just click on this little icon to expand it, and they can watch your video. I will now show you how to link to this page. I'm going to go to Pages. This page is called Showcase at the bottom. You want to make sure that you hide it, hide from navigation, and then when you set it up, you would go to that middle school, go to that computer design page. In this case, it would be 8th grade. Now notice I've already set that page up, but let's just assume that I didn't. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to scroll down and locate the Showcase page and click Apply. Now when I click on it, it will go to that page. This concludes the session on how to set up your Showcase page. For 8th grade, it will mostly consist of videos. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.
I am so impressed that you made it through this very long video. You are so awesome.